Ever wondered how the world's tallest buildings, strongest bridges, and most impressive sculptures came to be? The answer lies in the art and science of welding and fabrication. Today, journey into the world of welding and fabrication, where metal meets fire and creativity meets construction. The process starts with design. Whether it's a skyscraper or a small sculpture, every piece begins with a blueprint. A blueprint is essentially a detailed plan or map that guides the entire fabrication process. It's here that the vision takes shape, and the journey from concept to creation begins. Next, it's time to select the right materials. Steel, aluminum, and stainless steel are some of the most popular choices. Each material has its own unique properties and is chosen based on the requirements of the design. Once the materials are selected, they need to be cut and shaped according to the blueprint. This involves using precision tools and machines to ensure each piece fits together correctly. Cutting and shaping require a keen eye and a steady hand, but they're crucial steps in turning a bunch of raw materials into a coherent structure. Now comes the most exciting part: welding. This is where the magic really happens. Welding is the process of joining two pieces of metal together by melting the areas where they meet and adding a filler material. When the melted metal cools down and solidifies, it forms a strong, durable joint. Welding requires skill and precision. It's a process that demands a deep understanding of heat, metal, and safety precautions. And it's not just about joining metal pieces together, it's about doing so in a way that is strong, durable, and visually appealing. Finally, the fabricated piece needs to be finished. This may involve grinding to smooth out any rough edges, painting to protect against rust and corrosion, and inspecting to ensure the final product meets all the necessary standards and specifications. And voila! That's the journey from blueprint to finished product in the world of welding and fabrication. It's a process that combines science, art, and a whole lot of skill. To summarize, the process of welding and fabrication starts with a design or blueprint. Next, the right materials are selected and then cut and shaped according to the blueprint. The pieces are then welded together, and finally, the fabricated piece is finished and inspected. This journey from concept to creation is a testament to human ingenuity and craftsmanship. It's a process that has shaped our world in countless ways, from the buildings we live and work in, to the vehicles we drive, to the art we admire. So the next time you see a towering skyscraper, an impressive bridge, or a beautiful sculpture, take a moment to appreciate the skill, creativity, and hard work that went into its creation. And remember, every great creation starts with a spark. In this case, quite literally. So ignite your curiosity, fuel your creativity, and who knows, you might just create something amazing. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more insightful content. Like this video to support the channel. Thank you for your time, and remember, in the world of welding and fabrication, the only limit is your imagination.